Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for a student visa to India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. So guys, a lot of people apply to study in India as well. And because of the duration of this visa in which people have to stay longer, you cannot apply e-visa, or at least I should say that as of now, they are not allowing e-visa to apply under student category. So what is the process? So first, like overall process same, but based on your country and based on your location, there could be some additional requirements. So right now I'm showing you that how to do it from Canada, but if you are in a different country, you need to check the website of your local consulate and local, I mean, mission, whichever it is, uh, in at your location. So the overall process is, first of all, you need to submit the visa form online. So for this is the URL, we are going to go through it. And then you need to submit two recent color photograph. Okay. Specification: valid passport with at least 190 days, so more than 6 months, with minimum 2 blank pages. A letter from a recognized educational institution in India. Of course, like they have to determine that you actually are gonna study. Evidence of financial arrangement made. Okay. If admission is not confirmed, provisional admission. Okay. Address proof, certificate of registration, letter for student exchange program if applicable. That happens. Admission acknowledgement fee received from educational institution. So this is very common. Okay. All right. So this you need to submit. So we will go through it. Okay. So this link that I have opened over here. Now, based on your location, you may need to submit it at your Indian mission, or if they have outsourced it to any agency, or you can say visa application center based on your location. So I won't go into that. So first step is apply online, submit documents, and then submit documents where you go and do it at Indian Visa Application Center. Okay. So when you are gonna begin, you're gonna begin with this. Okay, so you need to select your country. So I'm just doing a sample. So I'm this nationality. It is populating. Date of birth. I should select a sample. Email ID. I'll put an email ID sample. This is not my email ID, so don't try to send an email to me. Can I copy and paste in the next section? Let me see. No, they have disabled. And if you see, even though I'm typing in small case, the moment I come out of it, it goes. So let's say if I'm going, and you see, you can apply up to certain date, arrival date, like not too much in advance. So let's say you're going in February, visa service. Here you go, student visa. Purpose: studying. What are the things you are gonna do? So for higher education, okay, and then you need to do this. And all the data I'm submitting here is sample only. So when you do it, make sure you do it as per your case. And I'm not going to submit the form finally, but let's see. Surname as shown in your passport. Sample, guys. Given name, complete as in passport. Change your name. If you click on this box, they are going to ask you to provide other. Oh, this is not turning into capital. So I'm going to put in a good case, right? Just sample, guys. They ask for religion also. So, but they have others option. Example, guys, I don't have a mole on my left hand. Education. Okay. Now passport details, again sample I'm going to put. Place of issue, date of issue. These details you can easily find in your passport. That's any other valid passport or something? Like no. Continue. Okay, now your address. Some sample guys. Sample guys. These two are not mandatory, but if you have, no harm to provide that. Permanent address, I check this box, so it's copied. Father details, mother details. So they want your parent details also. I'll just put some sample. Oh, why I'm doing that? Sample guys, no worries. Oh, previous nationality, fine. Place of birth. Yeah. Marital status, single. Whether your grandfather, grandmother, Pakistan national belong to Pakistan held area, I select no, but if yes, provide that information. Profession, occupation, but you have unemployed, I do. Unemployed. I just say not applicable, not applicable. But if you have, definitely provide that info. Are you serving in were you in a military, semi-military, police, security? I select no. Then continue. Oh, they have asked phone number. But they should have made it mandatory, right? I don't know why. Name of institution in India. Wow. So many details, right? Name of institution in India. What should I do? Delhi, Delhi IT College. Sample guys. Two New Delhi Street. One. Email not mandatory. The course applied for Tech. You need to provide as per your situation. Okay, don't go by what I'm doing. Visa 25 months. Number of entries multiple. Okay, expected port of arrival in India. I select New Delhi. Expected port of exit. That also I put New Delhi. Have you stayed India before? I select no. Has permission to visit stay in India refused? I select no. Countries with it. This is not mandatory, so I'm leaving. Have you visited SAR country in past? I select no. References. Okay. Mr. Smith. Of course, this is not going to be the case. To one New Delhi Street. Delhi, Canada. Scott Smith. I created a name. I'm not bad in doing that. Great. Sample. But you need to provide full information, okay? Have you ever been prosecuted by a court? I select no, 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 no. But you need to do it carefully. Now, this is a sample video, so I'm not going to click on declare and save and continue because next it will be submitted and then I have to do. I don't want to submit. So you have got the idea. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.